All right, now we are on step 3, connecting your social media accounts. So these social media links, we have a workflow. Um, that is under 004. After reviews, like us on Facebook, follow us on social media. This is where these come into play. So, after somebody leaves a review, we ask them, "Hey, awesome! Why don't you go ahead and like us on Facebook, and you can why don't you go ahead and like us on social media, and you can follow us on our other social media platforms as well." So here you can go ahead and um, edit ones that you're not using or add more that you are, but basically these links are going to go behind the text here, as well as in the future, they may go on funnel pages as well. And you can, now that these are custom values, you can go ahead and throw them, build upon this snapshot and add them to other locations, such as like a website footer or any place else that you may need to. All right, so first of all, we're going to grab a business Facebook page URL, and let me show you guys how to. All right, so go ahead and go to your Facebook page and then copy this link. And then we're going to come back here, paste it. We want to make sure we're using our business Facebook page, not any personal profile. And then you'll do the same thing with your Instagram, and same thing with Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, TikTok. Place those links there. And then the Facebook review link, you're going to go to reviews and go ahead and grab that link, paste it there. The Google review link, first you have to make sure that you've integrated a Gmail account and you've integrated your GMB. After that, go to reputation and click on this icon here. You're going to click on generate link if it's not already here, and then go ahead and copy this. This will only come up if you've integrated your GMB though. And the option to integrate a GMB will only come up if you've connected a Google account that is associated with that Google My Business. All right, and then go ahead and grab your Yelp review request link as well. So these two are going to be used in the review request campaigns. Other than that, these ones are just going to be used in that workflow email that I showed you. And then when you're all done, go ahead and press save and continue.